أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي. ربنا زدنا علما. اللهم فقهنا في الدين. آمين. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته يا أهل القرآن. I hope and pray that you all are in the best state of health and iman. Ameen. Alhamdulillah. So today inshallah let's learn ayah number 11th to 15th. First I'm going to recite this, focused on the tajweed rulings inshallah. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. فيها فاكهة والنخل ذات الأكمام والحب ذو العصف والريحان فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان خلق الإنسان من صلصال كالفخار وخلق الجن من مارج من نار. Let's look into the tajweed rulings of these ayahs. Okay. Ayah number 11th. فيها فاكهة والنخل ذات الأكمام. Okay. فيها, fa and ha both for two count. فيها. Okay. فاكهة, fa for two haraka. فاكهة, tanween is followed by wow. idgham ma'al غنة, two haraka غنة is done here. فاكهة و nasalization must be done. Okay. فاكهة والنخل two haraka غنة here as well. والنخل Zatu, zal with no buzzing sound. If you say zatu, the meaning will completely change. Zatu. Ta is connected to lam, hamzatul wasl. The connecting hamza is not read. Zatul akmam. Kaf with hams. Ak. Okay. Akmam. Alif maddiya can be stretched for 2 haraka or 4 or 5. Sorry, 6 haraka. Okay. But we will keep it 4 throughout inshallah. فيها فاكهة والنخل ذات الأكمام والحب ذو العصف والريحان Habbu, wow connected to lam. This hamzatul wasl of the word al-habbu is not read. Wal habbu, ha very sharp. If you recite this ha like the ha of aqsal halaq, then the word will be meaningless. It's not habbu, it's habbu, ha from the middle part of your throat. Okay. Wal habbu zu, this zal has dhamma followed by waw sakin. But this waw sakin is cancelled now. Why? Because we are connecting zal to this lam. When huruf al-mad is followed by hamzatul wasl, the huruf al-mad gets cancelled. Okay. So you will not say zul asfi as this is waw mad. You will not stretch it. But you will cancel it and say wal habbu zul asfi. Zul. Here in this Musaf which I have taken, there is waw sakin. If you open your Musaf, that is Indo-Pak version of the Quran or even Usmani Musaf, you will not find any sakin over here. Okay, so there will be no tension at all, because if there is no sign then there is no sound, inshallah. So you can just say lul asfi, ain clear and sod must be heavy. To make the sod heavy, don't make ain heavy and don't say asfi. A is wrong. It is asfi, asfi, and sod must be heavy. I'll recite in the both way, just listen to it. Asfi, as, 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 as. Okay, sod is bit heavier, and also the whistling sound of the sod is bit lesser than seen. Okay, because seen we don't do isti'ala, the sound flows very freely and it doesn't affect the whistling sound of the seen. But due to the heaviness, the sod's whistling sound is bit lesser than seen. So it is as, as. Okay, as, as. Keep the difference because this word is from sod, not seen. ذو العصف والريحان. والريحان. Ra with fatha is heavy. There is tajdeed, emphasize it. And don't trill, because when Ra has tajdeed, especially, then the trilling effect of Ra, which is called as tikrar, should be there, but in a moderate way. You should not exaggerate like war, war. This much should not be there. Just two rolls like warwa, warwa. Okay, just two rolls of tikrar. Warrayhan. Ha very sharp. Inshallah. Ha can be stretched for 2, 4 or 6 count, inshallah. والحب ذو العصف والريحان فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان فبأي all the letters for one haraka, and this ya you can see it has tajdeed, right? When ya has tajdeed and the letter before it is fatha, there can be a chances that you make this ya very soft, just like the huruf al-lim. Okay, so you should not make it light or you should not make it very soft. That is why you have to do nabar in the sense rise the accent here and keep that strength of tajdeed. Fabi ayyi, not fabi ayyi, because this is a common mistakes which I found in students, especially in this word. And this verse, that is ayah, will come many times in this surah, so make sure don't recite fabi ayyi. You're making it so soft and lighter, right? But ya has tajdeed. Tajdeed means something which has little more strength, right? So don't say I, just say ayyi. Nabar, the rising of the accent. Fabi ayyi. Okay. Fabi ayyi alai. Hamza for 2 haraka. This is mad al wajib muttasil. Wajib means mandatory, muttasil means attached. Right here, alif mad is attached to this hamza. This one word, hamza is in the same word, so it is mad al wajib muttasil. The mandatory mad should be stretched for how many harakas? 4 or 5 harakas. Okay, let's just keep it 4. فبأي آلاء ربكما. Ra heavy, not Rabbi. Ra. Okay. Rabbikuma, 2 count. Tukadhiban, dal with no buzzing sound. It's not tukazzi. Completely wrong. Tukadhiban. Fine. And this is standing fatha. That is madul asli, which is followed by a letter which can be now converted into sakina. Noon with kasra will convert into non sakina. That is madul arid li sukun. Therefore, you will inshallah have a choice to stretch it for 2 haraka, 4 haraka or 6 haraka. Madul arid li sukun. But let's just keep it for 4 count, inshallah. فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان خلق الإنسان من صلصال كالفخار خلق. Kha and the qaf, heavy letters. Don't recite khalaq. Khalaqa. Khalaqa is light. Both the letters are huruf al-musta'aliya. Do isti'ala, that is rising the back portion of your tongue and make it heavy. Khalaqa. Khalaqa. Okay. Khalaqal insana. Ikhfa here, to count gunna, where you have to hide the sound of nun sakin. Don't show it clearly, hide it in nasal cavity. Insana. Showing means insana. In, this is wrong. Insana. Hiding, not touching the tip of the tongue to the upper gums. Min salsalin, even here it is ikhfa, but with little heaviness because sad is a heavy letter. Min salsalin. Don't make this lam heavy, so, but this is light and again heavy. Salsalin. Sometimes what happens, you do isti'ala with this sad and also this sad, and even this will sound heavier and it will sound like sol, lam will also sound heavy, right? You have to not do that, inshallah. Make sure as soon as you do isti'ala, then you'll have to, inshallah, bring that last part of your tongue down again. Sol, okay? Min salsalin. Tanween followed by kaf, again ikhfa, like link, just like you say link. This is a good example to understand the ikhfa. How you say link in English? This tip of the tongue won't touch, right? Link. Same way here. Sol, linka, linka. Sol, kal fakhar, kal fakhar. Kha is a heavy letter. Don't recite kal fakhar. Kha is wrong. Kha, bit heavier. Out of all huruf al-mustaliya, kha is little less, okay, lesser heaviness is there in the letter kha. Don't make it so heavy, just do little isti'ala, it is enough. Kal fakhar. Ra sakin will also be heavy because it has alif before it and the letter before that has fatha, right? That is why ra sakin is heavy. Kal fakhar. Ro, heaviness. And also you can stretch this for 2, 4 or 6 count. خلق الإنسان من صلصال كالفخار وخلق الجن من مارج من نار. Okay, وخلق, same thing, kha heavy, qaf heavy, lam and waw is light. And don't mix up this kha and the qaf. Kha is from throat, the qaf is from tongue. Wa khalaqa, this has little hums in it. Kha is letter of hums, but a qaf doesn't have any hums. It is a letter of jahar. If you include a breath, that is the air we're pronouncing a qaf, it will sound similar to kha. So don't include any breath. Fine. Wa khalaqa, wa khalaqa. Qaf is connected to lam now, and this is alif maddiya followed by noon which has tajdeed. So which is the mad which is due to tajdeed? The longest mad. Mad al-lazim kalimi musaqqal. Mad al-lazim kalimi means it is in the word. Musaqqal means with heaviness, that is due to this tajdeed, it has a lot of strength. So this is stretched for 6 haraka. How many haraka? 6. And this is the lazim. Lazim means compulsory mad. You'll have to stretch it for 6 count. وَخَلَقَ الْجَانَّ. And also there is noon with tajdeed. So make sure to do gunna there for 2 haraka. Stretching for 6 count, then gunna for 2 haraka. Completely you can say to recite this one word janna, you need 6 plus 2 counts. That is 8 counts, right? Alhamdulillah. Mim marijin. Noon sakin followed by mim. Idgham. Do gunna for 2 haraka here. Marijin. Tanween followed by mim. Gunna because of idgham. 2 haraka gunna is done here. min nar, noon sakin followed by noon, gunna due to idgham for 2 haraka. So how many gunnas must be done here? 2 haraka here, 2 haraka here, 2 haraka here, 2 haraka here. You need a lot of breath to recite this ayah because 6 haraka for this mad and 2 count for a gunna. Okay, make sure to take a long breath and recite this, and don't miss that gunna for 2 haraka. That beautifies your recitation. Okay, if you make it 1 haraka, it's not lehen al jali, lehen al khafi, but still let's recite it with no lehen. Okay, inshallah. And nar ra sakin will be heavy, and this alif madya can be stretched for 2, 4 or 6, as we are keeping 4 for all the ayahs. Even here we'll have to keep it 4. That's why it's long. If you want to stop somewhere, you can stop and recite from back. Fine. Now I'll recite this ayah. وَخَلَقَ الْجَانَّ مِن مَّارِجٍ مِّن نَّارٍ. Okay, alhamdulillah, we have completed. Now let's recite this. First I'm going to recite where your mics will be muted so that you can listen to each and every word I'm reciting. Later on I'll unmute your mics. Let's begin, inshallah. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. فيها فاكهة والنخل ذات الأكمام والحب ذو العصف والريحان فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان خلق الإنسان من صلصال كالفخار وخلق الجان من مارج من نار. Okay, now I have turned your mics. Yeah, now I've turned your mics on. Alhamdulillah. Let's recite it again. Repeat after me, inshallah. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. فيها فاكهة والنخل ذات الأكمام فيها فاكهة والنخل ذات الأكمام. Okay, 2 gunnas here. One is gunna here and another gunna here. Okay. فيها فاكهة والنخل ذات الأكمام فيها فاكهة والنخل ذات الأكمام والحب ذو العصف والريحان والحب ذو العصف والريحان
والحب ذو العصف والريحان
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان
خلق الإنسان من صلصال كالفخار
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 وخلق الجن من مارج من نار
وخلق الإنسان من مارج من نار
وخلق الجن من مارج من نار
وخلق الجن من مارج من نار
Okay, let's repeat again. فيها فاكهة والنخل ذات الأكمام
فيها
فيها فاكهة والنخل ذات الأكمام
فيها فاكهة والنخل ذات الأكمام
والحب ذو العصف والريحان
والحب والريحان
والحب ذو العصف والريحان
والحب ذو العصف والريحان
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان
خلق الإنسان من صلصال كالفخار الفخار.
خلق
خلق الإنسان من صلصال كالفخار.
Okay, the gunna is done in 3 places here for 2 haraka. خلق الإنسان من صلصال كالفخار.
خلق
خلق
الإنسان
الإنسان من
صلصال
صلصال كالفخار.
وخلق الجن من مارج من نار.
وخلق
Okay, Alhamdulillah, Barakallah Fikum. Here there is gunna in many places. Let's recite this again. Sorry. وخلق الجن من مارج من نار.
وخلق
الجان
من مارج
Alhamdulillah, Barakallahu Feekum. So we have completed reciting. I hope you understood all the tajweed rulings of these ayahs. There are a lot of gunnas here, right? In these ayah here and here, which is done for 2 count. And also this mad is for 6 haraka. You'll have to stretch it for 6 haraka, then do 2 haraka gunna on noon. Like Jannah. When I'm stretching, maybe due to network issues, you're not able to hear it. But do that gunna for 2 count, okay? Because the name of this mad itself is mad al lazim kalimi musaqqal. Musaqqal means something which has a strength, which is which is very heavier in the strength. So to keep that strength, you have to do 2 haraka gunna on noon, okay? Jannah, in this way. Alhamdulillah. Do you have any doubts in these ayah? If yes, you can ask me. Any doubts in these ayahs related to tajweed? No? Okay, Alhamdulillah. Okay, practiced well, inshallah. And remember to apply all the rulings, okay? Because few sisters know all the tajweed rulings but still are not focusing on it. Kindly focus, and especially those mistakes which I've already said, which I've already noted, you write that in the book and practice well. And you can send that to me anytime on WhatsApp. Like if your mistake is in the
Assalamu
qaf.
alaikum,
Yeah,
Ustada.
walaikum salam, sister. Yeah.
Just like my makhraj of kha is perfect. I like. Can I read the kha word?
Yeah, you read this
Like
khalaqa.
the 14th ayah. Khalaqa.
It should be heavy, or both the letters. Khalaqa.
Khalaqa.
Yeah, mashallah, it's good. Alhamdulillah.
Jazakumullahu khairan.
Yeah, Alhamdulillah. May Allah make it easy for all of us. Ameen. Okay, any other doubts?
Amin.
No doubts.
Assalamualaikum. Inilah saya.
Walaikum salam.
Minan Maya join the meme kaswatari meme tashmir and the emphasize on the second meme.
Here, in this 1 second. Mim marijim.
Yes.
Yeah, you'll have to do gunna there. Gunna for 2 haraka because noon sakin is followed by mim, 2 count gunna. Idgham with gunna, right? Mim marijin.
Region.
Yeah,
Right, I get
2
it.
haraka gunna
Just a
here,
second.
2 haraka here, 2 haraka here. 2 count. Mim marijim min nar. In this way. Okay? Inshallah.
Inshallah.
Okay, any other doubts? Yeah, Sister Naima Tabassum, you have any doubt? No doubts. Okay, Alhamdulillah. May Allah make it easy for all of us. Ameen. Okay, any other doubts? Yeah, Sister Naima Tabassum, you have any doubt? No doubts. Okay, any other doubts? Yeah, Sister Naima Tabassum, you have any doubt? Sister Naima.
Yes.
Yeah, sister.
It's muted.
Okay, now you can speak, yeah.
Please send it along with the marking. Red markings are there. No,
Yeah.
please send this.
You want me to send this to you?
That
Okay,
will be
fine.
helpful. Yeah.
Okay, fine, inshallah.
It will be helpful. Jazakallah khairan,
Ji,
sister.
sister, waiyaki khair. Okay, I'll send this. I'll save it and send you. Okay, fine. You can take a screenshot if you want, okay? Fine, alhamdulillah. So, any other doubts? No? Okay, fine. Let's end the meeting. Practice well and recite tomorrow, inshallah. Subhana rabbika rabbil izzati amma yasifun wa salamun ala al-mursaleen walhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Jazakumullahu khairan.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Wa iyyakum.
Alhamdulillah.